Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
Start with the right tools and ingredients. In this video, I will explain how to make giant muffins. First, gather a 6-cup jumbo muffin tin and paper liners. Next, ensure your butter, eggs, and milk are at room temperature. This helps create a smooth, emulsified batter. Accurately measure your dry ingredients, especially the flour, by spooning it into the cup and leveling it off. This prevents dense muffins. Now, let's mix the batter for your delicious giant muffins. In one bowl, whisk together your dry ingredients like flour, sugar, baking powder, and a pinch of salt. In a separate bowl, combine the wet ingredients, melted butter, eggs, milk, and vanilla extract. Then, gently fold the wet mixture into the dry ingredients. Mix until just combined, about 10 to 15 strokes, to prevent tough muffins. It's time to fill your muffin cups and get them baking. Line your jumbo muffin tin with paper liners, then fill each cup about 2/3 full with your prepared batter. For that signature domed top, start baking at a high temperature, around 425 degrees Fahrenheit, for the first 5 minutes. Then, reduce the temperature to 375 degrees Fahrenheit and continue baking for another 20 to 25 minutes. Almost there, proper cooling is crucial for perfect giant muffins. After baking, let your muffins rest in the tin for about 5 to 10 minutes. This allows them to set and prevents them from sticking. Then, carefully transfer them to a wire rack to cool completely. Store any leftover muffins in an airtight container at room temperature for up to 3 days. Enjoy your impressive, bakery-style giant muffins.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.